So over here, I am in the dashboard of wordpress.com. And if I were to go around onto the left-hand side, then what I can actually do is go around onto the users section and then go around onto all users. So over here, you can see that it says I have two members right here. One is myself and one is another member right here. So let's say over here on the top, you can see that I actually have a pending member, meaning it's someone who hasn't actually accepted the invite for joining to my WordPress website right here. So let's see if I want to go ahead and remind them, I can simply go around and click right here and then resend the invite right here. If you were to revoke, then you're canceling out the invitation. If you click on resend invite, then you are sending an invitation again. That is your pinging the invitation again to the user. So over here, you can see that I got two invitations over here on the user side. So you can see that this is the first user invitation which I sent yesterday, and now you can see right here which is now currently sent. So the user gets another email as you click on that so that they don't miss it. So they can simply click right here and then click on accept invitation, and once they go ahead and do that, what happens is that you can simply go ahead and sign up right here. So you can see that this is what you have. It says sign up to start editing sample, so they can go ahead and create an account now and then just simply log in right here, just like this. So you can see that now I am in the WordPress dashboard on that section. So now if I were to go ahead back and refresh this page as the other user has accepted, now you can see that these are the three members in the team. So that is how you can go ahead and then resend out the invites if someone hasn't accepted inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.